Oh man, my house is trashed. Nothing new here. Oh gosh, okay. Yes, I'm wearing a wig. Hi Rainbows, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we had a little mishap. I've already filmed this video and sadly, none of the sound recorded. I know, which kind of sucks because it was a first impressions and I feel me refilming it, trying to capture the first impressions again, it's just gonna seem really fake. Now I'm like, well, what do? I can voice over it, but still I feel like it's not capturing the full, like in the moment reactions. But hey, I'm gonna go for the voiceover way because I think that will be easier. That brings me to this. The voiceover I'm gonna record on my brand new microphone. I know, amazing. This is the Blue Yeti microphone. So this was actually sent to me by Blue Microphones to celebrate their 10-year anniversary. Wow. To make things even better, this is not sponsored by the way, they are giving you guys a chance to win your very own. So I will be hosting a giveaway here on my channel and one of my very lucky followers is gonna win this same microphone for yourself. So my voiceover today will be filmed with this. I'm still yet to try and hook up the cords and get it synced in with my actual camera and set up a bench and all that kind of jazz. I still have heaps more to do to actually use this for filming. So at this very stage, I've got no microphone on at the moment. My cheeks look orange. So in today's video, I'm filming this intro again because I thought might as well while I'm here. Hazel's not wanting to give me the product. Can Mummy have that please? Mummy needs to film with it. You should see the scowl she is giving me right now. Oh my God. Can I have it, please? Please? Right now. Up you get. Come on. Come here, please. Mummy needs it. Thank you. Come on. Ow. Come on. Ta. Thank you. Thank you. So, gosh, all that out of the way. Today I am trying out a brand new product. This really caught my eye because it's nothing I've seen before. This is a baking powder or setting powder for your fake tan. Yes. So from what I've seen from this, thank you. What I've seen from this is you do your fake tan, you apply this, and then you are good to go for the rest of your day. You won't transfer or you'll have less transfer and you'll have this nice kind of glitter gleam to your skin. So I'm going to read the back of this and let you guys know what it says. A very light mattifying powder created to instantly set your tan with a velvety smooth inish. They forgot the F. With one gentle puff, your tan will be magically dried to the touch, allowing you to get dressed and on with your day. Contains organic green tea powder, coffee oil to give your skin a boost of complexion loving goodness. So it says, use supplied applicator, gently tap product onto the skin after self-tan has been applied. For extra matte finish, fairy dust can be layered until desired effect is achieved. Okay, so this is the packaging it came in. This is by the brand tanzee. Sorry, I did not mention that earlier. And it is their fairy dust product. So this is 30 grams or 1.05 ounces. And it says it is a self-tan drying powder. So my packaging did come a little bit banged up. You probably can't see, but there's scratches all over the holographic. And I have obviously used this already because microphone issues. So there's a bit of paint on here because Hazel was playing with the lid. But basically it is a loose translucent powder that you apply over a fake tan that will set it and make it dry. For me personally, I am a fake tan and go to bed kind of person. I hate the way fake tan smells. I hate feeling I feel like when you've just done a fake tan, you look a little bit dirty and you kind of smell a bit gross. And for me, fake tanning and like going out shopping or going to the grocery shops or going to work or whatever, it's kind of like, ew. Or like going out on the town, ew, no. So I'm definitely a fake tan bed person and shower fresh in the morning, and I feel like even once I've showered I can still smell the fake tan on me for the rest of the day. Ugh. So I thought, why not fake tan for you guys? Why not apply this to half of my body, leave some of the other half free, and compare how it goes. Compare the stickiness, compare if it transfers. I'm going to wear white for the rest of my day. At the end, I'll take the clothes off, we'll examine them, we'll see if there's any fake tan marks. I thought to put a spanner in the works and make things a little bit more interesting, I'm going to also compare this with some corn flour. Will corn flour work just as well? Will it give me the mattifying properties? Will it dull the scent? Will it stop from transferring? Who knows? Let's find out. Okay, so I'm going in with the fake tan. Hello, microphone. This is just B tan. It's just what I had at home. It's actually quite a nice tan. So I'm just going in with my normal kind of technique. A little bit rushed. I'm not going to lie. I was going to say I'm not going to be honest. I'm not going to lie. So I'm basically just applying one coat over my entire body, my belly, my legs, even my face. I'm going in for you rainbows. So now I'm going in with the Tanzee product. So I found that not much product did come out, and the powder puff you do get is obviously quite small. So it did take a bit. It took a lot of product to actually apply it, and it took a lot more time than what you'd actually think. So I had to keep dipping back in for more product, which, you know, it's okay, but it's not exactly really quickly dust it and go. You've actually got to fully pat it in, blend it in, and just make sure that it's absorbed in well and it's not leaving white marks. I could tell the smell still smelt exactly the same. I didn't really notice any glimmer or shimmer on my skin. So yeah, I just basically applied it. Now, I did see this video on their website, and I will link the real one or the original in the description box below for you guys. But basically what she did was she applied tan, patted over it with a towel, and you can see all the tan coming off. Then she went over it with the tannies and patted it again, and nothing came off. So because half of my body now has the Tanzee product fairy dust setting on it and the other half has nothing on it, I wanted to put this to the test and actually see if it worked. So I just got some tissues because I don't have any white towels. This is the non-set side. So I'm applying it, squeezing it in really, really well and looking at the tissue, and there's nothing there. There's like next to no transfer. Can you see that? And then I got a fresh tissue, went in on the other side of my body, which has the Tanzee setting fairy dust on it, and nothing came off. So I don't know with that video, I'm not saying that the person who filmed it is lying or anything like that. Maybe they literally put on 100% wet tan and then put the towel directly over it, which of course there's going to be product coming off. So yeah, I don't know. Now I'm going in with the cornflour side. So this actually spread a lot quicker. This side was a lot quicker. Obviously the texture, it was a lot more grainy, but a little bit went a really long way. Stickiness feels exactly, you know, it feels good on both sides. I don't notice any difference. So that it does both feel kind of matte and not sticky on both sides of my body. So I'm intrigued to see how this goes. So I'm just going to cornflour the tattooed side, which is my right side, and I've got the Tanzee fairy dust on my left side from my face all the way down to my toes on the left side. So the other part of my body I'm going to leave completely free, and we'll just see, you know, with no setting powder, no corn flour, if it's going to make a difference. So just in case that confused you at all, my right arm has the corn flour set on it. Also under my arm, my chest and my face on the right side has corn flour. The right side of my stomach and my right leg has nothing on it at all. The entire left half of my body has the Tanzee fairy dust on it to set. So the left part of my arm, stomach, leg and face and chest has the Tanzee fairy dust. So once that was applied, I went in with some white clothes. I didn't want to, you know, wreck any of my
nice white clothes. So I brought in some, you know, a bodysuit that I don't wear that often, and some clothes from my festival clothing haul. So please, 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 no one come to my door today. I basically just continued on with my day. I had washing to do, cleaning, and just, you know, normal stuff. Yay for folding washing. Oh my god. Alright, so I left it on for as long as I possibly could. It was on for about 6-7 hours, and then I decided to take it off. Alright, now look how brown I look. Oh my gosh. So let's go in and compare how the clothing is looking, especially like around the neck and places where you can see that it's been resting. So remember, the right side, your right side viewing has the tanzee, and your left side has the cornflower. So as you guys can see, I'm seeing pretty much even transfer. Definitely on the side that I set, there is transfer. You can see it. And the side with the cornflower, I think it does have similar amounts of transfer as well. Now, I'm not saying that this product claimed to give you 0 transfer. I'm not saying that. But it did say, you know, that it will make you feel not sticky. It will give you that matte appearance while also being shimmery. As you guys can see, this is the cornflower side here. There is definitely transfer. Under my arms, I couldn't really see anything, and it was very, very similar on the tanzee side. So there was transfer where it, you know, touched my skin. I tried to rub the clothing in as well as I could, like on my stomach, just to, you know, if there was any transfer going to happen, to see if it was going to be there. So yeah, let's take the clothes off. I'm going to start off with the shorts and we'll inspect those. I never really thought I'd be inspecting my shorts on YouTube. Oh my gosh. So looking around the waistband, looking at the inner seams where it was touching my legs, I could not see any transfer at all from the tanzee side, also from the no set side. So nothing on it to set, and then the setted side were both identical. I couldn't see a difference at all. Yeah, as you guys can see here, there's nothing. So yes. So looking at the top a little bit more, it's still, yeah, pretty much the same as what you saw earlier. For me, it looked pretty much identical on both sides. So even on the stomach area, where we had the side that was not set at all and the side that was set, still looks pretty much identical. There wasn't much transfer at all. And then even under the armpits, as you guys see here, both sides were, yeah, exactly the same. So you're probably wondering if it affected my tan, if I got different results with the tan setting with the cornflower and without. So I feel that the same amount of color is visible on both sides. I think, you know, I didn't experience any issues with either side setting. I think it was pretty much even. I do have some patchiness around my neck. It did claim that it was going to give you a streak-free tan, but yeah, I do feel I have some patchiness on my neck.
Okay, so I'm back with my verdict. My final thoughts of the product is, did it work? Yeah, it worked. It worked. I think I definitely felt less sticky. I didn't have probably as much transfer, but in saying that, the cornflower worked as well. And I think I had probably similar amounts of kind of staining around the wrists, around the neck from the cornflower to the setted side. So for me, I feel like the cornflower worked exactly the same. I still feel like I smelt the same on both sides, regardless of the fairy dust or the cornflower. And then when it comes to like my legs and my stomach, where I did nothing versus the setting powder, I feel like it was identical. I feel like, you know, those areas may not have rubbed as much. I feel like they were pretty much identical. I mean, I think this product could be amazing for some people. Please don't get me wrong. I don't want it to come across like I'm bashing the brand in any way, because it is an Australian brand and I love supporting Aussie brands. But at the same time, I'm going to be real with you guys, and if you guys can save your money, then I suggest perhaps trying cornflower first if you are definitely a tan and go person. But if you think that, you know, this is really going to work for you, I have seen good reviews, then go for it. go for it. But for me, I will not be repurchasing this. I probably wouldn't really reach for this because I am definitely not a tan and go person. But I think there is a market for people who will use this. But in saying that as well, perhaps try the cornflower trick as well and see difference-wise if one works better for you or not. Anyway, rainbows, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.